राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वकनमस्काराः। स्वागतं। वेलकम टू क्लास 6 of सौन्दर्यलहरी पारायणाभ्यासः Learn to chant सौन्दर्यलहरी of Adi Shankaracharya. We have completed learning 12 verses. So we will quickly recap the verses we learned in the previous class and continue from verse 13 onwards. Also welcome to our panelists for today. We have 3 of them for now: Shivani, Gauri Pooja and Vihan, who will be helping us with the repetition or Anucharanam. As usual, we will begin with Guru Vandanam. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे, गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे, न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः, मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। सौन्दर्यलहरी कर्त्रे सर्वमङ्गलदायिने, शङ्कराचार्यवर्याय यतिराजाय ते नमः. Just the first verse and then we will have a recap of 8 to 12. That is the verses we learned in the previous class. शिवशक्त्या युक्तः यदि भवति शक्तः प्रभवितुं, न चेदेवं देवः न खलु कुशलः स्पन्दितुमपि, अतस्त्वामाराध्यां हरिहरविरिञ्चादिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृतपुण्यप्रभवति। 9 to 12 we learned in the previous class. So from 9th verse onwards, I will just quickly recap. Mahim mooladhare kamapi manipure hutavaham, स्थितं स्वाधिष्ठाने हृदि मरुतमाकाशमुपरि, मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथं, सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे, सुधाधारासारैः चरणयुगलान्तर्विगलितैः प्रपञ्चं सिञ्चन्ति पुनरपि रसाम्नायमहसः, अवाप्य स्वां भूमिं भुजगनिभमध्युष्टवलयं, स्वमात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे कुहरिणि, चतुर्भिः श्रीकण्ठैः शिवयुवतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः नवभिरपि मूलप्रकृतिभिः, चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः सार्धं तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः, त्वदीयं सौन्दर्यं तुहिनगिरिकन्ये तुलयितुं कवीन्द्राः कल्पन्ते, कथमपि विरिञ्चि प्रभृतयः, यदालोकौत्सुक्यात् अमरललनायान्ति मनसा तपोभिर्दुष्प्रापाम् अपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम्. Okay, this 13th verse we will learn today. Gauri Puja, please unmute and share your webcam. Naram varshiyamsam
नरं वर्षीयाम्सं नरं वर्षीयाम्सं
नयन विरसं नर्मसुजडम्
नयन विरसं नर्मसुजडम् नयन विरसं नर्मसुजडम्
तवापाङ्गालोके
तव पाङ्गालोके तव पाङ्गालोके
पतितमनुधावन्ति शतशः
पतितमनुधावन्ति शतशः पतितमनुधावन्ति शतशः
गलद्वेणी बन्धाः
गलद्वेणी बन्धाः गलद्वेणी बन्धाः.
Only dha is a mahaprana here, ba is alpa prana. We will do it once again. Galadveni bandhaha
गलद्वेणी बन्धाः गलद्वेणी बन्धाः
कुचकलश विस्रस्तसिचयाः
कुचकलश विस्रस्तसिचयाः कुचकलश विस्रस्तसिचयाः
हठात् त्रुट्यत्काञ्च्यः
हठात् त्रुट्यत्काञ्चः हठात् त्रुट्यत्काञ्चः.
It is kanchyah. Yeah, there is a ya also, so it should not be heard as kanchah. It is kanchyah. Please note, all of you. Hathat trutyat kanchyah.
हठात् त्रुट्यत्काञ्च्यः हठात् त्रुट्यत्काञ्च्यः.
Vigalita
विगलितदुकूला विगलितदुकूला
युवतयः
युवतयः युवतयः.
All of you, please note each and every letter carefully. Naram varshiyamsam nayana virasam narmasujadam tavapangaloke patitam anudhavanti. Dha is mahaprana. Shatashaha galadveni bandhaha. Dha is mahaprana. This word, please note, there are multiple conjunct consonants or sanyukta aksharani. Kucha kalasha visrasta sichayaha. Here it is kucha, kalasha, sha, shiva, shubham, that sha. Visrasta, this is sa, si, again sa. Visrasta sichayaha. So each letter should be pronounced carefully. Hathat trutyat kanchyah. Again, multiple conjunct consonants. Tha is mahaprana. Hathat trutyat kanchyah. Hathat trutyat kanchyah. Each and every letter, each and every half letter, vyanjanam should be heard carefully. Vigalita dukula yuvatayah. We will repeat. Naram varshiyamsam nayana virasam narma sujadam.
नरं वर्षीयान्सं नयनविरसं नर्मसुजडम् नरं वर्षीयान्सं नयनविरसं नर्मसुजडम्
तवापाङ्गालोके पतितमनुधावन्ति शतशः
तवापाङ्गालोके पतितमनुधावन्ति शतशः तवापाङ्गालोके पतितमनुधावन्ति शतशः
गलद्वेणी बन्धाः कुचकलशविस्रस्तसिचयाः
गलद्वेणी बन्धाः कुचकलशविश्रस्य सितयाः
Again, कुचकलशविस्रस्तसिचयाः
कुचकलशविस्रस्तसिचयाः गलद्वेणी बन्धाः कुचकलशविस्रस्तसिचयाः
हठात् त्रुट्यत्काञ्च्यः विगलितदुकूला युवतयः
हठात् त्रुट्यत्काञ्च्यः विगलितदुकूला युवतयः हठात् त्रुट्यत्काञ्च्यः विगलितदुकूला युवतयः.
Now, 2 lines at a time, that is half a shloka. Naram varshiyamsam nayana virasam narma sujadam tava pangaloke patitamanu-dhavanti shatashah.
Naram varshiyamsam nayana virasam narma sujadam tava pangaloke patitamanu-dhavanti shatashah. Naram varshiyamsam nayana virasam narma sujadam tava pangaloke patitamanu-dhavanti shatashah.
Galadveni bandhaha kuchakalashavisrastasichayaha hathat trutyatkanchyaha vigalita-dukula yuvatayah.
Galadveni bandhaha kuchakalashavisrastasichayaha hathat trutyatkanchyaha vigalita-dukula yuvatayah. Galadveni bandhaha kuchakalashavisrastasichayaha hathat trutyatkanchyaha vigalita-dukula yuvatayah.
Okay, now the entire verse. Naram varshiyamsam nayana virasam narma sujadam tava pangaloke patitamanu-dhavanti shatashah. Galadveni bandhaha kuchakalashavisrastasichayaha hathat trutyatkanchyaha vigalita-dukula yuvatayah.
Naram varshiyamsam nayana virasam narma sujadam tava pangaloke patitamanu-dhavanti shatashah. Galadveni bandhaha kuchakalashavisrastasichayaha hathat trutyatkanchyaha vigalita-dukula yuvatayah.
Uttamam. Now, before we go to the next verse, there are a few questions pertaining to this verse. Whether there is a visarga at the end of the third line. Yes, there is a visarga. Kuchakalasha visrasta sichayaha. There is a visarga. And we are stopping. So we have to also recite or chant the visarga completely. And next word is hatat trutyat kanchyah. Here hatat is there, and then trutyat kanchyah. In English, if you want to see, it is given here. I think one of you has typed out in English. If you want to know the exact way it is indicated in English, it is here in IAST. That is the correct way. There is no other way. Hathat trutyat kanchyah vigalita dukula yuvatayah. Then one of you asked me if there is a da here. Hathat trutyat. There is no da there. It is hathat trutyat kanchyah. So please note that. One more question was in Telugu, it's I learned that it is given as charana yugalantar vigalitaihi la. So in classical Sanskritam there is no la. So in pure Sanskritam we don't have la kara. It is only la. So in some languages, when Sanskritam shlokas are printed, due to the regional influence, that la is included, but that is not there in this classical text. So that you have to chant it as la itself. But I do acknowledge, and yes, it comes, we come across that la in some of the regional language books, even for Sanskrit. That's probably due to the influence of the regional language, where we have la. Like in Kannada also we have la, but in Sanskritam there is no la. It is only la. So please make that change, especially in texts like Saundarya Lahari. Vigalita dukula yuvatayah. Kucha kalasha visrasta sichaya. It is not kalasha. It is kucha kalasha visrasta sichaya. Okay, so I hope that doubt is also cleared. Should the visarga be a dirgha? It depends on where the visarga is. For example, shatashaha, it is not a dirgha there. Whereas kucha kalasha visrasta sichayaha, there we have to pronounce it as kucha kalasha visrasta sichayaha. Yuvatayaha, it should be pronounced as yuvatayaha, not yuvatayaha. That would be wrong. Hathat trutyat kanchyah, there again kanchyah, not kanchyaha. Similarly, here galadveni bandhaha, there is a dirgha. So also request you to please, like I always say, please indicate the word, specific word which you are asking, because if you ask me very gently, I won't know where exactly you have a doubt. So the shloka number, line number, and the word, if you say, it would be easier for me to identify. So please note that the way it is pronounced is based on the letter preceding the visarga. But if your question is about Laghu Guru symbols, that's different, because Laghu Guru symbols in Chandas, Guru is the symbol for Dirghas, and a Visarga and Anuswara will get a Guru symbol, not a Laghu symbol. So if your question is pertaining to Chandas, it has a, we have to consider it differently when you are indicating Laghu Guru symbols for Chandas sake. But for pronunciation, like I said, Shatashaha, Yuvatayaha. First word, is it naram or narav? First word is naram varshiyamsam. Naram is the first word. However, optionally, I think I explained this in the first two classes. Optionally, when anuswara is followed by va, we could pronounce it as narau varshiyamsam. That nasal tone, narau varshiyamsam, is also correct. The word is naram. Okay, I will quickly recite this verse and we will move to the next verse. Naram varshiyamsam dayana virasam narma sujadam tava pangaloke patitam anudhavanti shatashaha galadveni bandhaha kucha kalasha visrasta sichayaha hathat त्रुट्यत्काञ्च्यः विगलितदुकूला युवतयः. So also please note here galadveni, that the you have to stress there, galadveni dvitvam. Visrasta, again there sra before that, visrasta sichayaha. I hope that is clear. Next one, Vihan.
Ram.
Ram, Vihan. क्षितौ षट्पञ्चाशत्.
क्षितौ षट्पञ्चाशत्.
द्विसमधिकपञ्चाशदुदके. हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः. चतुरधिकपञ्चाशदनिले. द्विविद्विषट्त्रिंशत्. मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति
ये
मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि. तव पादाम्बुजयुगम्.
तव पादाम्बुजयुगम्.
Again, we have a lot of tongue twisters in Saundarya Lahari. Very interesting. It sharpens our pronunciation skills and our focus also, because while learning, we need to focus, concentrate on the letters very keenly. Kshitau, ksha, kshitau, shat panchashat. So please note that shat panchashat. Dvisamadhika, dha, dvisamadhika panchashadudake. हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः. ष हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः. चतुरधिकपञ्चाशदनिले. Dhi is again Mahaprana. Dividvi, there here dvitvam. Dividvi. So second the is heard. Dividvishattrimshat. Please note each and every letter. Dividvishattrimshat. Manasi cha चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये. श here षण्मुखः श. मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि. खा is Mahaprana. तव पादाम्बुजयुगम्. Okay, once again. क्षितौ षट्पञ्चाशत्. द्विसमधिकपञ्चाशदुदके.
क्षितौ षट्पञ्चाशत्. द्विसमधिकपञ्चाशदुदके. क्षितौ षट्पञ्चाशत्. द्विसमधिकपञ्चाशदुदके.
हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः. चतुरधिकपञ्चाशदनिले.
हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः. चतुरधिकपञ्चाशदनिले. हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः. चतुरधिकपञ्चाशदनिले.
दिविद्विषट्त्रिंशत्. मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये. You're on mute, Vihan. Please unmute. Yes, now we can hear you.
दिविद्विषट्त्रिंशत् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये दिविद्विषट्त्रिंशत् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये
मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम्
मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम् मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम्.
Okay, now we will chant 2 lines at a time. All of you please note, like we have been learning with pausing between the between a line also within a pada, whereas you can also chant it continuously as kshitau shat panchashat dvisamadhika panchashadudake hutashe dvashashtihi shashtish chaturadhika panchashadanile dividvishatrimshat manasi cha चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम्. Okay, so it's an option. Some of you have asked for the text combining the sandhi, so we will provide that also. But the way we are learning splitting the sandhi and pausing between a line, the text has been uploaded on the course page. So hope all of you were able to access. The PDF is available in 6 different languages. The first word pronunciation, someone has a doubt, it is kshitau, ksha, like kshama, kshiti, shaha, that's how it's pronounced, kshi, ka and sha. So ka and sha combined together give us this, this is a samyuktaksharam, a conjunct consonant, kshi. Kshitau shat panchashat द्विसमधिक पंचाशदुदके हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः चतुरधिक पंचाशदनिले
क्षितौ षट्पञ्चाशत् द्विसमधिक पंचाशदुदके हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः चतुरधिक पंचाशदनिले क्षितौ षट्पञ्चाशत् द्विसमधिक पंचाशदुदके हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः चतुरधिक पंचाशदनिले
दिविद्विषट्त्रिंशत् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम्
दिविद्विषट्त्रिंशत् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम्.
Once again.
दिविद्विषट्त्रिंशत् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम्.
Okay, now the entire verse slowly, Vihan. Let us all learn slowly. Some are tongue twisters here. So we will focus on each and every letter and chant slowly. One of you has asked about the third line, first word. It is divi. Divi dvishat trimshat. Dvitvam, like I said. So between divi and dvi, you are hearing a second the. So dvitvam there. Divi dvishat trimshat. I hope that's clear. Now the entire verse. Kshitau shat panchashat द्विसमधिक पंचाशदुदके हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः चतुरधिक पंचाशदनिले दिविद्विषट्त्रिंशत् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम्. Slowly.
क्षितौ षट्पञ्चाशत् द्विसमधिकपञ्चाशदुदके हूताशे द्वाषष्टिः चतुरधिकपञ्चाशदनिले दिवि द्विषट्त्रिंशत् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम्.
Okay. Some of you have requested for the third line especially to be repeated. I will repeat the entire shloka very slowly, slower than what we chanted right now. So please listen to it carefully. Kshitau shat panchashat द्विसमधिक पंचाशदुदके हूताशे द्वाषष्टिः चतुरधिक पंचाशदनिले दिवि द्विषट्त्रिंशत् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम्. I hope this is clear. Third line, shat trimshat. It is divi dvishat trimshat. Divi dvishat trimshat manasi cha chatushashtiritiye. However, this is because we are splitting it. But if we combine and chant, we could combine the sandhi here. So the ta and ma, we could combine it and chant it as divi dvishat trimshan manasi cha chatushashtiritiye. But that is if you do not want to take a pause. But for now, because many of them are learning it for the first time, we are learning consistently in all shlokas by pausing for multiple reasons. It's easier to learn this way. And also you get to take a breath there after the pause. So for multiple reasons, we are learning consistently in all verses. We are pausing here between a pada. And so we are splitting the sandhi. Okay, next verse, Shivani, please. And like I always say, please ask any of your questions in the Q&A panel, because chat has many other messages also apart from questions or doubts. So I might just overlook your doubts or questions in the chat if you send it, because like I said, there are other things also in chat. So in the Q&A panel, please ask any questions which you have. Okay, Shivani, 15th verse. शरज्योत्स्ना शुद्धा
शरज्योत्स्ना शुद्धा शरज्योत्स्ना शुद्धा
शशियुत जटा जूटमकुटा
शशियुत जटा जूटमकुटा शशियुत जटा जूटमकुटा
वरत्रासत्राण
वरत्रासत्राण वरत्रासत्राण
स्फटिक घटिका पुस्तककराम्
स्फटिक घटिका पुस्तककराम् स्फटिक घटिका पुस्तककराम्
सकृन्नत्वा नत्वा
सकृन्नत्वा नत्वा सकृन्नत्वा नत्वा
कथमिव सताम्
कथमिव सताम् कथमिव सताम्
सन्निदधते
सन्निदधते सन्निदधते
मधुक्षीरद्राक्षा
मधुक्षीरद्राक्षा मधुक्षीरद्राक्षा
मधुरि मधुरीणाः
मधुरि मधुरीणाः मधुरि मधुरीणाः
फणितयः
फणितयः फणितयः.
Okay, very beautiful verse. Devi is being described as very effulgent and pure, like the Sharat Jyotsna, that is the Sharat Kala, the moonlight of Sharat Kala. Here, actually, we are not supposed to split in the second line and the fourth line. Okay, so we have to chant it together. I split it because it's the first time. It might be confusing for you if I chant the entire line at once, but we are not supposed to take a pause there. I will come to that. Sharad Jyotsna Shuddham. Dha is Mahaprana. Please note this. Sharad Jyotsna. Jyotsna. It is not Jyotsna. Jyo. Ja and Ya together combined forming Jyo. Sharad Jyotsna Shuddham. So please do not pronounce it as Jyotsna. It is Jyotsna. Sharad Jyotsna Shuddham. Shashiyuta Jatajuta Makutam. Bharat, here multiple dvitvams. Bharatrasatranas Phatika Ghatika Pustaka Karam. So Bharatrasa, dvitvam here, between Ra and Tra. Bharatrasa, again Trana, between Sa and Ta again. Bharatrasatrana. Again dvitvam before Sphatika. Bharatrasatrana Sphatika. So everywhere here note the dvitvam, the stress which we are giving. Spha is Mahaprana. Sphatika Ghatika. Gha. Ghatika Pustaka Karam. This entire line we don't take a pause. Sakran Natva Natva. Kathamiva. Tha is Mahaprana. Satam Sannidadhate. Next line also we don't pause. Madhukshira Draksha. Dvitvam between Ra and Dra. Madhukshira Draksha Madhuri Madhurinaha. So Dhu 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 is Mahaprana. Here Visarga followed by Pha. Please note the pronunciation of this letter. It is Pha. It is not Fa. It is Phalam. Phanitayaha. There is no Fa in Sanskritam. And here Visarga followed by Pha, that we get an Upadhamaniya. So we pronounce it as Madhukshira Draksha Madhuri Madhurina Phanitayaha. We don't chant the Visarga completely. So let us learn this again. Also, one more tip here. A lot of the shlokas or anything for that matter, we learn just by Shravanam. So Shravana, listening itself, is a huge yajna, and that is the first step to grasp everything perfectly. The reason I'm saying this is, even if you do not know clearly exactly where a dvitvam is in each line, grammatically speaking, as long as you are able to listen and repeat in the same way, that is enough. Because when we learned these verses or many other shlokas from our guru, we were all very young children, and the way we picked up was just by replicating the way our guru taught us. She used to teach us and we repeat it exactly like that. Any mistakes, she would correct us. So when I learned this work, and I know a lot of them, there were not any indications of Mahapranas being highlighted like this on screen or dvitvams being told, but we automatically incorporated all that. So the aim should be to get there, because Mahaprana highlighting also now I'm doing for your reference, but we should reach a stage there where automatically we know it is a Mahaprana and we chant it perfectly. So we don't have to rely on this highlight on screen or in a book. Now for your reference, you could make a mark with a pencil. But the aim of this webinar or any other chanting course is to make you perfect in understanding Alpa Prana, Mahaprana difference, etc. So that whichever work you take in Sanskritam, whichever shloka you read, you should be able to differentiate perfectly and chant perfectly. So what I'm trying to highlight here is please focus on listening rather than the marks on screen or, you know, where grammatically where there is a dvitvam. So more than that, what is important is to focus on listening and trying to repeat exactly the same way. Then you'll automatically get it perfectly. So let us do one line at a time. Sharajyotsna shuddham Shashiyuta jata juta makutam.
शरज्योत्स्ना शुद्धां शशियुतजटाजूटमकुटां शरज्योत्स्ना शुद्धां शशियुतजटाजूटमकुटां
Bharatrasatrana ghatika pustakakaram.
वरत्रासत्राणस्फटिकघटिका पुस्तककरां वरत्रासत्राणस्फटिकघटिका पुस्तककरां
Sakrinnatvanatva kathamiva satam sannidadhate.
सकृन्नत्वानत्वा कथमिव सतां सन्निदधते सकृन्नत्वानत्वा कथमिव सतां सन्निदधते
Madhukshiradraksha madhuri madhurina phanitayah.
मधुक्षीरद्राक्षा मधुरिमधुरीणाः फणितयः मधुक्षीरद्राक्षा मधुरिमधुरीणाः फणितयः.
So if you noticed, first time Shivani stopped Madhuri Madhurinaha. She took a pause there. Therefore, she chanted the Visarga completely. And Phanitayaha. I understand this line is, again, it needs a lot of breath control. You have to hold your breath, and that too with so many Mahapranas. So initially, if you're finding it tough, you could stop at Madhukshiradraksha Madhuri Madhurinaha. Take a breath there, Phanitayaha. But gradually, you should get to the stage where you chant the entire line completely at a go without a pause. So we will do 2 lines at a time, Shivani. Sharajyotsna shuddham Shashiyuta jata juta makutam Bharatra satrana sphatika ghatika pustakakaram.
शरज्योत्स्ना शुद्धां शशियुतजटाजूटमकुटां वरत्रासत्राणस्फटिकघटिका पुस्तककरां शरज्योत्स्ना शुद्धां शशियुतजटाजूटमकुटां वरत्रासत्राणस्फटिकघटिका पुस्तककरां
Sakrinnatvanatva kathamiva satam sannidadhate madhukshiradraksha madhuri madhurina phanitayah.
सकृन्नत्वानत्वा कथमिव सतां सन्निदधते मधुक्षीरद्राक्षा मधुरिमधुरीणाः फणितयः सकृन्नत्वानत्वा कथमिव सतां सन्निदधते मधुक्षीरद्राक्षा द्राक्षा मधुरी मधुरीणाः फणितयः.
Uttamam. Now, here also note the dvitvam in the last line, please. Madhukshira. So, dvitvam before kshi. So, madhukshira. Extra ka is being heard. And between ra and dra, madhukshira draksha. So, extra da is being heard. Madhukshira draksha madhuri madhurina phanitayah. Okay, now the entire verse. शरज्योत्स्ना शुद्धां शशियुतजटाजूटमकुटां वरत्रासत्राणस्फटिकघटिका पुस्तककरां सकृन्नत्वा नत्वा कथमिव सतां सन्निदधते मधुक्षीरद्राक्षा मधुरि मधुरीणा फणितयः.
शरज्योत्स्ना शुद्धां शशियुतजटाजूटमकुटां वरत्रासत्राणस्फटिकघटिका पुस्तककरां सकृन्नत्वा नत्वा कथमिव सतां सन्निदधते मधुक्षीरद्राक्षा मधुरि मधुरीणाः फणितयः. शरज्योत्स्ना शुद्धां शशियुतजटाजूटमकुटां वरत्रासत्राणस्फटिकघटिका पुस्तककरां सकृन्नत्वा नत्वा कथमिव सतां सन्निदधते मधुक्षीरद्राक्षा मधुरि मधुरीणाः फणितयः.
Okay. Uttamam. We will go to the next verse. Last line, there was a doubt. We do not stop as draksha madhuri madhurinaha. We don't stop that way. It is a samasta padam. Therefore, we chant it together. We don't split that word at all. Madhukshira draksha madhuri madhurina phanitayah. So that much we must be able to chant at a stretch. Next, also Shivani, next one. Kavindranam chetah kamalavana balataparuchim. Okay, that is how we should chant the line, but I will split it. Kavindranam chetah.
कवीन्द्राणां चेतः कवीन्द्राणां चेतः
कमलवनबालातपरुचिं
कमलवनबालातपरुचिं कमलवनबालातपरुचिं.
Okay, so I split only because it's the first time and I wanted you to know the words. It is Chetah Kamala. So that word has to be chanted together. We do not split it as Chetah. We don't pause there. Visarga followed by Ka is Jihva Muliya. So we don't chant the Visarga completely. Chetah Kamala Vana Bala Taparuchim. And Anuswara followed by Cha. Optional rule. We could combine it as Kavindranam chetah kamalavana bala taparuchim. Okay, so I will chant this entire line. Kavindranam chetah kamalavana bala taparuchim.
कवीन्द्राणां चेतः कमलवनबालातपरुचिं कवीन्द्राणां चेतः कमलवनबालातपरुचिं
Bhajante ye santah
भजन्ते ये सन्तः भजन्ते ये सन्तः
कतिचिदरुणामेव भवति
कतिचिदरुणामेव भवति कतिचिदरुणामेव भवति
विरिञ्चि प्रेयस्याः
विरिञ्चि प्रेयस्याः विरिञ्चि प्रेयस्याः
तरुणतर शृङ्गारलहरी
तरुणतर शृङ्गारलहरी तरुणतर शृङ्गारलहरी
गभीराभिर्वाग्भिः
गभीराभिर्वाग्भिः गभीराभिर्वाग्भिः
विदधति सताम्
विदधति सताम् विदधति सताम्
रञ्जनममी
रञ्जनममी रञ्जन.
Okay, I think we lost connectivity from Shivani. So, Kavindranam Chetah Kamalavana Bala Taparuchim Bhajante Bha Mahaprana Bhajante Ye Santaha. We are stopping here. If you don't, if you choose not to stop, you could chant it as Santah Katichidarunameva Bhavatim Bha Mahaprana Bhajante Bha Mahaprana. Virinchi preyasyaha. So there is a dvitvam. Virinchi preyas, extra per there. Virinchi preyasyaha. We are splitting here, splitting the sandhi because we are pausing. Tarunatara shringara lahari gabhira bhirvagbhihi. So here you see the hyphen. It means that we are not going to pause there. We paused because I wanted to teach you in small bits for the first time. So we have to combine it as Tarunatara Shringara Lahari Gabhira Bhirvagbhihi. Here we can take a pause. So Bhi, Bhi and Bhi, all are Mahapranas. Didadhati. Dha is Mahaprana. First, Da is Alpaprana. Please note carefully, we shouldn't interchange. Satam Ranjana Mami. Now one line at a time. Shivani, I hope your connection is back.
Yes.
Kavindranam Chetah Kamalavana Bala Taparuchim.
Kavindranam Chetah Kamalavana Bala Taparuchim. Kavindranam Chetah Kamalavana Bala Taparuchim.
Bhajante Ye Santaha Katichidarunameva Bhavati.
Bhajante Ye Santaha Katichidarunameva Bhavati. Bhajante Ye Santaha Katichidarunameva Bhavati.
Virinchi preyasyaha tarunatara shringara lahari gabhira bhirvagbhihi.
Virinchi preyasyaha tarunatara shringara lahari gabhira bhirvagbhihi. Virinchi preyasyaha tarunatara shringara lahari gabhira bhirvagbhihi.
Vidadhati satam ranjanamami.
Vidadhati satam ranjanamami. Vidadhati satam ranjanamami.
Now 2 lines at a time. Kavindranam Chetah Kamalavana Bala Taparuchim. Bhajante Ye Santaha Katichidarunameva Bhavati.
कवीन्द्राणां चेतः कमलवनबालातपरुचिं भजन्ते ये सन्तः कतिचिदरुणामेव भवतीं कवीन्द्राणां चेतः कमलवनबालातपरुचिं भजन्ते ये सन्तः कतिचिदरुणामेव भवतीम्
विरिञ्चि प्रेयस्याः तरुणतरशृङ्गारलहरी गभीराभिर्वाग्भिः विदधति सतां रञ्जनममी
विरिञ्चि प्रेयस्याः तरुणतरशृङ्गारलहरी गभीराभिर्वाग्भिः विदधति सतां रञ्जनममी विरिञ्चि प्रेयस्याः तरुणतरशृङ्गारलहरी गभीराभिर्वाग्भिः विदधति सतां रञ्जनममी.
Now the entire verse. Before that, just to answer a few questions. Tarunatara Shringara Lahari. It is not Laharim. There is no ma there. Tarunatara Shringara Lahari Gabhirabhir Bhaghihi. Virinchi refers to Brahma, and both usages are there in Sanskritam. Virinchi and Virincha. Both refer to Brahma, and both usages are there in Sanskritam. Therefore, in some places you see Brahma being referred to as Virinchi. In other places, Virincha. In this verse, it is Virinchi Preyasyaha. Okay, so that's how it is. Now we will repeat the entire verse. Kavindranam chetah kamalavana balataparuchim bhajante ye santah katichidarunameva bhavatim virinchi preyasyaha tarunatara shringara lahari gabhirabhirvagbhihi vidadhati satam ranjanamami.
कवीन्द्राणां चेतः कमलवनबालातपरुचिं भजन्ते ये सन्तः कतिचिदरुणामेव भवतीं विरिञ्चि प्रेयस्याः तरुणतरशृङ्गारलहरी गभीराभिर्वाग्भिः विदधति सतां रञ्जनममी कवीन्द्राणां चेतः कमलवनबालातपरुचिं भजन्ते ये सन्तः कतिचिदरुणामेव भवतीं विरिञ्चि प्रेयस्याः तरुणतरशृङ्गारलहरी गभीराभिर्वाग्भिः विदधति सतां रञ्जनममी.
Uttamam. I will quickly recap the verses we learned today. Most of the doubts pertaining to those verses have already been answered. Naram varishiyam sam nayana virasam narma sujadam tava pangaloke patitam anudhavanti shatashah galadveni bandhaah puchakalasha visrastasichayah hathatrutyat कांच्यः विगलितदुकूला युवतयः क्षितौ षट्पञ्चाशत् द्विसमधिकपञ्चाशदुदके हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः चतुरधिकपञ्चाशदनिले दिवि द्विषट्त्रिंशत् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम् शरज्योत्स्ना शुद्धां शशियुतजटाजूटमकुटां वरत्रासत्राणस्फटिकघटिका पुस्तककरां सकृन्नत्वा नत्वा कथमिव सतां सन्निदधते मधुक्षीरद्राक्षा मधुरीण फणितयः कवीन्द्राणाञ्चेतः कमलवनबालातपरुचिं भजन्ते ये सन्तः कतिचिदरुणामेव भवतीं विरिञ्चि प्रेयस्याः तरुणतर शृङ्गारलहरी गभीराभिर्वाग्भिः विदधति सतां रञ्जनममी. I hope this is clear. Some doubts pertaining to Visarga. Here Shatashah Galadveni Bandhah Kuchakalasha Visrasta Sichayah Ya Dirgha followed by Visarga. Next Hathat Trupyat Kanchyah. Here it is Yuvatayah. I hope that's clear. Okay, I had seen one, I think in the chat box, Annie Marie, you had said that you had written some emails. You got delivery not found. Okay, I don't know which email you had written to. I'm just going to type out my email ID in the chat box. I'll send it to everyone. So please make note of that. You could send it to this ID. Maybe there is some error in the spelling or something like that. Yes, so I have typed it out. brinda.vyoma@gmail.com. So any doubts you could send to that email ID, please. And this email ID is very much working. So I hope I received your emails. Some of you are saying you're finding it a bit tough. Absolutely no problem. The first time all of us find it that way. The effort itself is great, and these verses are tongue twisters. Those who have learned Gita, etc., you'll know Gita shlokas are mostly 2 lines, some are 4 lines. But these Saundarya Lahari verses, big Chanda Shikharini, and we have a lot of tongue twisters even after this, but it's a great exercise in every way. So please attend regularly. And the key is to go on listening, Shravanam. Then try to read every day. The videos are available, so you can repeat. You can listen to small parts and repeat. Then keep reading it. By that, and by the end of the course, I'm sure you'll be able to do it with ease. So, Abhyasa, like I say in every class, Abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena cha grihyate. Like Bhagavan says in the Gita, with Abhyasa, consistent practice, with Shraddha, you will definitely be able to read these verses initially, and then you'll be able to memorize them also. So no worries at all. All of us find it a bit hard in the beginning, but you will all get over that. It's just a matter of time and practice. 14th verse, 3rd line, 14th verse, 3rd line is Divi Dvishat Trimshat Manasi Cha Chatushashtiritiye. If you are combining the Sandhi, it would be Divi Dvishat Trimshan Manasi. This ta becomes na if you are combining the Sandhi, but not everyone in this class is familiar with the rules of Sandhi, etc. So we don't want to confuse you in the beginning. Therefore, we are splitting the Sandhi. But if you're comfortable combining, you can combine it, but please don't pause if you're combining. The whole line should be chanted together. Dividvishat trimshat manasi cha chatushashti ritiye. If you pause and if you split the sandhi. I hope that's clear. Bharatrasatrana. There is a dvitvam before trasa. So you are hearing a second ta. Bharatrasa. So second ta is heard. Similarly, between trasa and trana, again a second ta is heard. So both places it is ta. Ta is getting doubled. Bharatrasatrana. Ta is getting doubled in both places in that particular line. Indira Bhagini, Tirupavai, whether there is a course, I am not sure. I will find out. And definitely, I mean, all your suggestions are welcome. I will definitely suggest that you want a Tirupavai course. So please specify if you want like to learn reciting Tirupavai or the meaning or both. So we will definitely consider whatever requests you have. And once we find able teachers who are willing to spend their time, definitely we will have those courses. So any requests, you could send it to the Vyoma email ID. Is there a new dhyanam? New in the sense that since 2 weeks we have been learning that Saundarya Lahari Kartre Shloka by Shri Shri Bharati Tirtha Shri Charanaha. Yes, it is a new in the sense we didn't learn it in the first class, but we have been learning it since past 2 weeks or so. Okay. Any other doubts, you could always send me by email. Also request you to please type in English, because some of you have typed in few other languages. I can't read all the languages very clearly. So if possible, please type in English. Okay, course to explain Saundarya Lahari. There are already 2 courses. Pre-recorded courses have been, they are on the portal on the website. So please log in and check for Saundarya Lahari. One is English, one is, I think, Kannada. So there are already courses for the meaning. Therefore, you could refer to those courses, word by word, shloka by shloka meaning. First, those who are in the first class, etc., no problem at all. You can join anytime. You can catch up. Please be regular to the class and then catch up on the previous verses with the recordings. After 20th shloka or so, we will have a revision. These verses are big. So I'm thinking if one class is not enough, if there are many of you who want to chant, we will have the revision in 2 classes, no problem. So we will get 2 hours for individual chanting. So let us conclude with Shanti Mantraha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadaha sarvebhyah. Thank you very much. Thank you to all the panelists, Vihan, Gauri, Shivani. We will meet next Sunday at the same time, that is 5 p.m. IST. Thank you all very much. Dhanyavadaha. Punar milamah.